You also notice the side skirt, which is another part of the full ADRO kit. And it's really neat because it has a contour that starts in the front and it continues on with the wide body. Now, probably on camera, you guys can see that the car looks wider than it did when it was blue. And it really has to do with the color. The color has now brought out the wide body nature. And I think that the design of the ADRO side skirt really helps with that because it kicks out right with the fender. So it's a really nice add-on. And this has the flip ups like the in performance side skirts that we had on our G80 project. So I also like that. So it kind of ties the two together.